In this video, we review how we can leverage existing maintenance windows for deployments in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.5. Let's start by going to Properties on a host pool. From there, we'll go to AVD. There is an option to enable scheduled AVD agent updates. And if we enable that, from here we can create a maintenance window. We'll set this example to Sunday at 1 a.m. We could also add additional maintenance windows and force the host to be powered on during the window. We'll save and close. Now, if we deploy an application with a deployment policy, we'll go to Applications, Deployment Policies, and we'll add a policy. From here, we can create a policy. And at the bottom, we have the option to set a maintenance window. From here, we can create a new maintenance window. New to Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.5, we also have an option to use a maintenance window already defined on the host pool. If the host pool does not have a maintenance window, the schedule defined in the deployment policy will be used. That is how to use an existing host pool maintenance window for application policy deployments in Nerdio Manager 5.5.